What's up, guys? On today's video, we're going to be removing the front bumper off a Chevy Camaro. I started off by removing the pushing clips that it has on top. It's got about 6, I want to say, but I just picked up my panel clip remover tool and pried them apart. After I do that, I went ahead and picked up my ratchet wrench and a 10mm socket, and I'm going to remove the two 10mm bolts that it has on the top, on the passenger and driver side. Then I'm going to get my Torx 20, my T20, and I'm going to remove the 3 T20s that it has on the wheel well for the fender liner to the bumper to get access to the bolts that it has on the back. And whatever you do to one side, you go ahead and do to the other. Repeat the process. 3 T20s that need to be removed from the wheel well to get access to the bolts in the back. Then I go ahead and pull the fender liner from the bumper so I can show you guys what bolts need to be removed. You got one 7mm tucked up on right here. Then I went ahead and removed the 7mm that it has at the bottom that are also holding the bumper in place. It's got 3 of those. Then in the middle, across the cross member, it's got 2 10mm bolts that need to be removed as well. And then we go to just keep it going, another 10. We got 2 10s at the bottom and a total of 6 7s on the passenger and driver side combined. 3 and 3. Then I'm removing the 7mm bolt that it has, like I did on the opposite side. And now I'm revealing the 3 10mm bolts that it has behind the fender going into the bumper. And I just picked up a swivel socket and a long extension, and I pulled those right out. They can be a pain in the ass. Then what I did on the passenger side, I went ahead and mirrored it on the driver's side. The 3 10mm bolts that run from the fender to the bumper. And I removed those 3 as well. And then there's a hidden 10mm bolt that you're not going to see. It goes from the radiator support to the bumper cover bracket. And I also removed that one as well. After you remove that, it should free your bumper. You gotta disconnect your wire harness from the body itself. To remove the wire harness or unplug it, all you do is pull back the pin that it has and press upon it, and that's it. I'm going to show you guys here, but that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys around for more.